Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will solve how to solve this type of question, and the options are given below and we'll check which option is our answer. Now let's start with today's video. Suppose 1 by 3 plus 1 by 18 and we have to divide 2 by 9. So we know the rule of BODMAS that our first step is to solve the bracket. So in bracket, we can see the 1 by 3 plus 1 by 80. So numerator and denominator, the fraction. So denominators are different. So first we make the denominator equal. So I can multiply here 6 and get the denominator same. That is 6 by 18 plus 1 by 18 divided by 2 by 9. So now the fraction denominator are same. I can write it as and add the numerator. So 6 plus 1 is 7 by 18 divided by 2 by 9. So what we can do, in place of division sign, I can write multiplication sign and reciprocal the number. So I can write it as 9 by 2. So we know that in table of 9, 18 come at second place. Now 7 times 1 is 7 and 2 times 2 is 4. So for this question, our answer is 7 by 4. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.